What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to be unboxing the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. No face for now, just cause everything's a mess around here, but I have recently upgraded to this new phone since my previous phone was damaged. Unfortunately, an accident happened on Christmas Day 2020 last year, so here I am doing this unboxing. So this is going to be my first unboxing on this phone, so it will be all genuine reaction upon first look. The only knowledge that I have, however, on this phone is that it is the cosmic black color. So I'll be wearing gloves during this unboxing just to keep it clean. And I know that this phone is a fingerprint magnet, and also to appreciate the mirror look and finish before I spoil it. Now, before I get started, let me clear off the table here. Here it is, the Galaxy S20 Plus with 5G capabilities. This is the box. Nothing too special about the box, and it's still sealed, and it does say cosmic black on the color. It is the 128GB version, so I'll get more into the specs later on while I open this box. So let's get started here. There you go. Alright, so now there is the new phone and my GoPro, and here I am waving hi. See, that's exactly what I mean when it's a mirror finish. Everything is just shiny. Okay, so what comes in the box? Let's take it all out. Here is the hidden, quote unquote, hidden packaging. There you go. So this one contains the pin for the SIM card. Yeah, there's a couple of quick start guides and the pin itself, so we'll put that over there and over here. So we got the quick start guide, the pin, the phone itself. So we got the wireless, oh no, not the wireless, the supercharger. Ooh, super fast charging. This is the brick for the super fast charging cable. You already know what that is. It's a USB-C Type C to USB Type C. This one plugs into that, and the AKG earphones, and there you go. All right, so that's all the contents of the box. Let me put everything else aside. Okay, so that is the phone itself. As you guys can see, oh, hey, it's very reflective. Ooh, so shiny, nice. And there is also plastic there for peeling. And what else? 1, 2, 3, 4 cameras, technically 3, but there is a 4th camera here, and I will explain that later. And it does not come with a audio jack, so they took it out and they just settled with a USB Type C. So let's go over the phone, let's go around it. So that's the main screen right there, the back with the camera cluster, and it does have the USB Type C in the middle, speaker on the right, and I think this is a microphone here on the bottom, a power button here, and the volume rocker, volume up and down. It has the SIM, yeah, it's a SIM carrier over here, and the microphone over here, and on this left side, clean, nothing here. So let's peel this thing, and for those who are a fan of ASMR, I hope you guys hear this. Ooh, so smooth. Right, there's that plastic there. Okay, so one thing that I have to say on this one, that it does come with a screen protector. So there is one already. I don't think you could see it properly because this is a black on black phone. But anyway, so there is a screen protector. I don't have to take that. I don't have to put a new one. So that's pretty good. Alright, so a few specs here. Screen size. It is a 6.7-inch diagonal, a 73.7mm wide over here, and it is 7.8mm thick, and 161.9 millimeters tall, and weight 168 grams. The 5G version, millimeter wave version, is a 188 grams. I think this might be the 5G millimeter wave, since it does says on the box this is 5G capable and supports it. The display itself is a 6.7-inch quad HD plus dynamic AMOLED 2X, Infinity O display, 3200 by 1440p, 525 ppi with HDR10 plus certified. I think the big hype on the S20 line of cell phones from Samsung is the 120 Hz refresh rate support. So out of the box right now, it is 60 Hz at default. There is an option inside the phone in the settings to optimize to 120 Hz option within the settings. So what that means is scrolling, browsing, and animations on the phone, on the screen, if you have that 120 Hz optimized and turned on, it'll be a lot smoother on doing those things, and not faster, just smoother. And for the camera, we got a, I don't know if you guys can see this, but there is a 10 megapixel autofocus at 1.22 micrometers, so that's how small it is. I think the lens itself with an 80-degree field of view for selfies and an aperture of f2.2, so that's that good old selfie camera at the front. Very small, it's not that noticeable or whatnot. So compared to the S10 that I had, it was a big notch in here, but this time there's no, it doesn't even feel like there's a camera in there, so that's pretty good. And then on the rear, we have the, on top here, we have the ultra wide at 12 megapixels with a 120-degree field of view and an f2.2 aperture. Below that is the wide angle, the same megapixel at 12 megapixels, and super speed dual pixel autofocus with I think a stabilizer. I'm not sure about that one yet, but it has a 79-degree field of view and f1.8 aperture. Right on the bottom here is a 64 megapixels telephoto camera. So that is pretty amazing with a 76-degree field of view and f2 aperture as the lowest aperture. Now, this tiny camera here, right next to the middle camera for the wide angle, that is a depth vision camera. So what this does is, on portrait modes and whatnot, it does give a really nice background blur, a very smooth transition to that background blur that everybody, or most people who uses cameras nowadays, are after. So that's one big there. That's one feature for this camera. A space zoom with hybrid optic zoom ×3. So, and a super resolution zoom up to 30 times. So this telephoto here, this phone itself can actually zoom in 30 times. I'm not sure about the quality yet, but I have a feeling there's gonna be degradation on that one. Now I'd like to vlog on this phone. I was about to start it, but got damaged. Now I have this S20 Plus, and I just want to vlog on a phone. Convenient, comfortable, and just overall easier to handle. So I've used my GoPro Hero 5 Black, which I am actually filming right now with. Daytime, bright lighting situations, and action shots where it does its job best. So very subtle, cosmic black. I like it. So I'll be installing the case with this that I got at the same time here before I do turn it on and set it up, and we'll see. Alright, there you go. S20 Plus unboxing, cosmic black.